welcome once again. As we continue learning Adobe Illustrator, you can subscribe as you continue learning. So you are doing symbols this week. So we are still in AI, which are gonna do Photoshop, InDesign, and Premiere Pro. So today we're going to learn about the symbol scruncher tool. The symbol scruncher tool is just found on the left. We've got a couple of symbols over here. So we did the symbol sprayer and the symbol shifter. Now we are on the symbol scruncher tool. So symbols, what is the function of the symbol scruncher? The symbol scruncher tool in Adobe Illustrator adjusts the spacing between symbol instances in a symbol set, moving them closer together by default or further apart. When the Alt or Option key is held down, it functions like a magnet, drawing simple scroll. So the keywords here are, it adjusts the spacing. The words in red are the keywords. It adjusts the spacing between the symbol instances in a symbol set, moving them closer together by default or further apart when the Alt or Option. So this blue is very key. You press it on the keyboard, the Alt or Option key is held down. It functions like a magnet, drawing symbols closer. So first of all, you need a symbol to able to use this. To be able to use this part here, you need the symbol first, and the symbol is found here on the window. So symbols are here. You just scroll down, they're here. So it is window, then you activate by clicking the symbols like that. So they will come here on the left. Then you just take the symbol and you drag here. You just click here like this, then you drag like that. So these are the symbol. That is a symbol, this is a symbol, and this is a symbol. So you only need one symbol. So if you delete that, we shall take this, we click there like that. Then we need to duplicate the symbol. So duplicating symbol is the first tool that we did a while ago. So sprayer like that. So that one is spraying. Yeah. Yeah, so that is the symbol of a flower. So after doing that, you go there, go to the symbol scruncher, which is 1, 2, 3. The third tool is here, and you just drag like that. See, when you drag, it does like that. So when you take the symbol scruncher and you just drag, they come together like that. So when you want to push them apart, you use the Alt or Option key on the keyboard. So if you press Alt on Mac or Option in Windows, they do that. They go apart. So if you want to go back, it's Control Z. So when you go to the symbol scruncher and you press the Option, Alt or Option key, that is what happens. But when you don't press, they go back together like that. So Alt or Option key, when you press, when you just without pressing, they go back together. So that is the function of the symbol scruncher tool. So take note of the Alt or Option key by holding it down or pressing it on the keyboard. That's what it gives you. So if you press that, you do that, it gives you that. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so if you press the Option key, Alt or Option, you see that. Yeah, but without pressing, they come back together. So that is the function of the symbol scruncher tool. Yeah, that is how it functions. Then you have the symbol sizer. Symbol sizer tool is here. Symbol sizer. The symbol sizer In Adobe Illustrator, it's used to change the size of a symbol, instances within a symbol set by clicking on a symbol with the tool. You increase its size, and by holding the Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, the key, you hold Alt or Option key while clicking, you decrease its size. So while you are still there, uh, you come here, you click, then you come here on the symbols. After doing the symbol scruncher, or on the symbol sizer, sorry. So when you take the symbol sizer, if you see they become bigger, you see. But if you want to become smaller, you that is becoming small. Aya big, you just drag like that. You long press, it becomes big, big, big. Yeah, yeah. So when you press the Alt or Option key, like here, like that, they become smaller. Uh, yeah. Like that, you just press, yeah, they become small like that. Yeah, so if you just press, it becomes big. If you press the Alt or Option, it becomes small. Yeah, like that. But if you just press it freestyle without pressing the Alt or Option key, that's what happens. Yeah, like that. Then if you press the Alt or Option key, that's what happens. They become smaller, but my hand is on the Alt or Option key on the keyboard. So you just long press like that, and it gives you, yeah, like that. So that is how we distribute that. That's the function of the symbol sizer tool. And thank you for watching. It's just easy. Just go back to the previous video and watch how we talked about this and this and this until here. So we're gonna learn the symbol spinner and the symbol stain as we go on. So thank you for watching, and subscribe there, and see you in the next lesson as you continue learning Adobe Illustrator. Thank you, and see you later.